What's up everybody, Mike Dingler here with Firehouse Pressure Washing. There's my wife Monica in the back. We are headed out to do some evening and night work at some shopping centers up in Atlanta. So stay tuned and I will put some more videos and pictures of what we do here at Firehouse Pressure Washing for our commercial jobs. All right, we have just finished their first shopping center here, the one behind us. Say hey, Mo.
Hey.
So we went from, let me see, way down there where that sign is to way down there and did the sidewalks. And now we're gonna go eat at the top level here and we will travel to Alpharetta. We are in Cumming right now doing this, doing all the sidewalks. They're all drying up, looking pretty good. And we will be in Alpharetta next. See you soon. All right guys, here we are at our last job. Monica, say hello.
Hey.
She's on shopping cart duty. So we have to wash all of these sidewalks here up in Alpharetta. And let us get busy and we'll see you when we're done.